Hi and welcome to the Kitchen Story by Vaidehi. Today we are going to learn how to make cheese burst pizza at home. Many of us do not really imagine making a cheese burst pizza at home, but today I am going to show you how easy that is. And for this particular recipe, I am going to use different types of cheese, but in case that is not available with you, feel free to use any type of cheese which you have access to. Before we start our video, let me remind you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started.
So first we are going to cut veggies. You can take any veggies of your choice. I am cutting tomatoes, bell peppers and onion. So here we are making cheese sauce. Add some milk to the pan and then add all-purpose flour to it. Make sure that there are no lumps formed. Make sure that you are using low heat and not high heat, otherwise you are going to face troubles in your cheese sauce later. Keep adding milk up to the consistency you want. Then add cheese to it and again make sure that there are no lumps formed. Remember that it's important to have a little thin paste because your sauce is going to thicken later. So now I have slit the pizza base into two halves. Make sure you do that if you want to make a cheese burst pizza. Now on the lower half I'm adding this cheese sauce. This is the secret of cheese burst pizza. I will not cover the edges in order to avoid spilling in the microwave or the oven that I'm using. Now I have covered this with the other half and I'm using chili sauce to top it up as the base sauce. So here we are done using chili sauce. Now we will add first layer of cheese. I am using a combination of cheese, but you can use any cheese that you like. Mozzarella cheese is always best for pizza. So if you have that, it's the best. Then now I'm using veggies to add a layer on top of the cheese, and again after using veggies I'm again going to add a layer of cheese to it and then top it up with some more veggies. So now we will bake our pizza for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Our pizza is ready. Let us taste it and see how it has turned out to be. Just look at the cheese. It's not just flowing from the top but also from the base like it should for cheese burst pizza. And here I am just unable to control my emotions because this is so yummy. So if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you again.